pinto beans.
Who are you?
My name's Bartlett. I'm a crab.
You're not a crab.
Yes, I am. My name is Bartlett. I said I'm a crab, and I'm looking for my pinto beans. You got my pinto beans.
You look like a robot to me.
Do you know what a robot is? What the heck is a robot anyway? I'm just a crab.
You're something not from this world. My name is Lobster, and I am the most ingenious, most intelligent lobster on the planet.
Now that's just the biggest crackable I ever done heard.
I have never seen you here before, and I've been many, many places. So go away.
No. I'll sit right here. I'm gonna sit on this little orange cushion. Now fuck you.
How dare you use such language with someone of such high prestige?
Who do you think you are? King of the sea or something?
I am the most ingenious, most intelligent, most respected lobster on the planet.
That's a crock of bull.
It is not.
My daddy was the king.
You see this silver sea skull here?
You mean this one?
Yes.
It's mine now.
No. It was presented to me by the King of France.
Well, I done pooped on it now.
No one will eat me. I am the most intelligent lobster in the world, and I can tell that you are only a government experiment. Here to spy on me.
Yeah, government experiment that just pooped on your shell. I'm going back to my cave.
You're afraid.
What now? I'm not afraid of nothing.
He's afraid. He's afraid.
Oh my gosh. I can fly. I can fly.
We can all fly. Yeah. On the
Hello. My name is Bartley. I am the Lord Lobster. You will obey.
You just told me you were a crab. I will fight you.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh no, I'm hurt.
I'm not, because I am a genius, and I know how to get myself out of these situations. Haha! I won the fight. Somewhere in London there is a rich man.
And what's his name?
The man who was bidding against this fight and bet that I could beat you and win.
Nobody beats me. Alright, that's good.